Hello friends, how are you? My name is Sabir. This video I am showing you how to create virtual machine in AWS. So guys, I already logged into AWS and I click one EC2. If you don't find this EC2, you can find here. I install it. I click this. Okay. Then I click one instance, then I click on this. Okay, I install Windows Server 2019. I select this, then I choose my resource. I need 4 core and 16 GB RAM. I choose this, then I go to next configure instance, and I review my configuration. I enable this. Okay, everything is fine. Then I go to add storage. I take two volume and I add the second volume. It will be 300. Then I click next. I don't need nothing this. Then I go to next, and default port open 3389. It is RDP port. It needed it. Okay, then I click review and lens. Okay, I review my wall things. Okay, everything is fine. Now I click lens. If you want, you can process without key pair. And click on lens instance. It is creating. It's taken some times. This is created. It's taken some times. Okay guys, this video if helped you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.